What is up, Utah Drone Racing? Ty here, Bent Props, and I am going to preview our location for this Saturday's drone race. We're here at Sunnyside Ave, beautiful baseball field, and let's get a bird's eye view. Okay, locked in from the comfort of my HD0 goggles. Let's check this out. Located in the corner of Salt Lake City, Utah, this wonderful baseball field and stake center is available to us, and us exclusively this coming Saturday. Whether we want natty objects like these, or to set up amazing gate session out here in this field, my personal favorite part is this pavilion. Thank you very much. Where was this when it was 100 degrees in the summer? And let's go! Who's gonna make it? I better see all you guys here this Saturday. At Sunnyside Ave, Salt Lake City. Signing out. Hope you enjoyed the preview.